Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. There is no chance, no destiny, no fate that can hinder or control the firm resolve of a determined soul. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Trust because you are willing to accept the risk, not because it is safe or certain. Nothing in the world is more common than unsuccessful people with talent. If you do what you always did, you will get what you always got. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. The distance between insanity and genius is measured only by success. If anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart. People rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing. No masterpiece was ever created by a lazy artist. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no help at all. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. If you don't value your time, neither will others. Stop giving away your time and talents. Start charging for it. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. Blessed are those who can give without remembering and take without forgetting. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. There are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. Those who are afraid to try and those who are afraid you will succeed. People who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. Similarly, when someone is failing, the tendency is to get on a downward spiral that can even become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.